All right, guys, she's finally at 4,000 miles. Time to change her. So I got pretty much everything OEM straight from Subaru. You can choose other oils, but I was like, why not get it from them? So obviously 0W20, 0W20. So since it's 4.8 quarts for the WRX, that's how much you'll need. I got a drain plug, so it makes things easier. So whenever I change oil from Fumoto, and then air filter. I mean, I wasn't planning to change the oil with this, so that's why I got the gasket. But I was like, screw it, why not do this? So I'll install it to the car. All right, so the car is already jacked. I was thinking about raising the rear, but we'll see if I have extra jacks. But I only have 2 of them, so I could use the jack, but from the rear. But it's gonna, I don't know, I feel like it's a little too risky, but we'll see how it goes. All right, so you're gonna be needing a 17 socket and go under, and obviously look for it. It's literally easy to find. It's literally right there, man. I wish I could show you with more light, but there it is. Put it under just to prep it. We'll obviously take this a little out. It'll be easier to drain it out. Open the cap. It's a little too hot because I was driving it here. Put that to the side, and let's pour out. It's hopefully I don't burn myself, more like it. But I definitely need, damn, look at all this. Oh my gosh, it was tight as a motherfucker. Hold up, what the fuck?
Nice.
It fucking hurt my arm. Pretty sure we'll be shooting towards this side. And we're good. All right, well, that drains. Let's go to the top. Damn, it's pretty blackish, to be honest. Well, you can see kind of like brown, more like dark brown. You know, when you have like a nice cup of coffee, that's what it looks like. All right, so I'm using a different glove so I could like have a better grip of like loosen this out. So obviously counterclockwise, just loosen it up, just so you can pour out more of the oil, or just take it out, might as well. Look at that, nice and neat. I'll just put it down here. Obviously, just clean the sides, obviously, so it doesn't smear. I recommend the blue towels. These always come in clutch when it comes to like oil changes, so go with that. So it doesn't smear down there. Or like more like I got rid of like if there's any dirt from the outside. All right, now the drain plug. This work. It's cool that it comes with like a washer. So I was reading that you need to like torque it for like 30 feet-pounds of torque. It's cool. See? That's cool. Where did this go? All right, so as you can see, I'm not sure if you can the camera catch it, but so right now it's an opening. Boom, it closes. Oh, never mind, it blinds you because of the reflection. So if you can see better. So go a little switch. This means it's open. Now it's closed. And I presume this goes, oh, there you go. This might be it. So slide it. So this will keep it locked. Obviously, it's on. Take it off. Switch to full switch. And then boom. So boom. This is open. You're done. Closed. Put this back in. And we're good. Now that I think about it, how am I gonna torque this to the right spec? Because I only have these kind of screws, well, wrench, to tighten it, but not something to like torque it. I have this. Have the torquing wrench, but for the sockets, but you could probably go with this, but I'm pretty sure the manufacturer tightened this for the nipple part. So like it connect to this. Because I think I was reading that you need to like use the base to tighten it, never right here where the nipple's at. I guess I have to go with my own, you know, like a little elbow, I want to say elbow grease because that's overdoing it. Hand tighten it, but with the screw, I mean with the wrench. So see how it goes. All right, prep this up. Well, more like I should put the filter already. Ta-da! A new one. Alright, time to lube up the rubber part of the... Oh, that's a little too much oil, no! Of the edges. Oh yeah! No, I'm kidding. It's funny that I keep using my right glove, which has like more grip, but it'll be a lot better when I tighten this. Look at that. Nice and glossy. Obviously a little hand tight. That should be fine. Nothing too crazy. And it's still pouring. I'm pretty much gonna have to like draining the oil, installing the Fumoto drain valve, put it down, put oil since it'll be more leveled. I'll just do that instead. Alright, so that should be tight enough. Honestly, I don't want to mess around with it because I wish I had the right tools to torque it correctly. But for what I'm seeing, this should be tight enough. I don't want to overdo it, so I'll leave it like that. Alright, now that the car is down, time to pour the oil. Hey, the struggles in life. You know what? I should do it something different. I'm gonna do this instead because I feel like if I have to pour it, it's gonna like splash and leak all over the engine bay, so I'd rather not. So let's just do this. Just put that right here and then pour the oil. Wish me luck, mother. No, I'm kidding. You know, just let it settle down. But look at the color difference, man. Amazing. This is why we hit the gym, boys and gals and ladies and gents, whatever. Because my arm's getting tired just by pouring it this way. So obviously, guys, it needs 4.8. Give me all the oil. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do this. Just have it like this. Boom. It's gonna sling off. There you go. I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna check this. And now let's open this baby up. Yeah, I keep smearing the whole thing, man. I can't really check, to be honest. But either way, it needs 4.8. As you can read, 1 gallon is like what, 4 quarts? Yo, come off. Alright, fuck it, stay there. One needs more, Jesus. Oh, that should be fine. Cover it so next time you use it, it won't be dirty. Clean it around. Right on the dot, boys. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's right on the dot. Like literally right here. Hell yeah. I'll just leave it like that then. We're good. And I just dropped a little drop here. Fuck. Oh, look clean. No spills. Now let's see how it looks when I park at my apartment for like about a fucking week or something. So install went well. Let's turn it on and see how it goes. Gonna let her run for a bit. Get warmer. And then I'll check. And then I'll check again later tonight when I drive like an actual long drive. Honestly, this install was pretty cool and easy. Obviously, it's just installing a valve onto it, but oil changes are so easy, man. If you don't know how to do it, it's okay. It's always nice to learn, but just don't fuck anything up. That's all. I was reading some Reddit forums that people like to leave it right on the dot, which you saw earlier. So I'll do that. As it gets warmer, obviously it's gonna like the oil like expands more. But apparently a lot of people do that because it's a Subaru. But since this is a new car, I'll probably just leave it at the line. So if it's like over the top like too much. We'll see what I'll do. So she's calming down while the car's warming up. Honestly, I should check. I'm dipping my finger. Look what color it is at 4,000. It's not bad. Obviously the light is making it look brighter, but that's how the oil looks at 4,000. You can see some black here and there in the more of the dark areas, but yeah, I mean, yeah, I would change this car at every 4,000 miles, to be honest, just to play it safe. It's not bad, but I'll still do it just to play it safe. Maintain the car properly. But now I gotta find the little drain plug. Oh, there she is. About that, I should check if there's any RTV. But from what I'm seeing, there isn't. It's funny because the oil's not that hot. Even though I was driving it a lot earlier. Not a lot, just like 6 miles. Yeah, I don't feel any chunks. Cause I was hearing, well, I was like reading that some people had RT. Oh. That's just trash from whoever used it before me. Feel any RTV or chunks. That's the only piece that I found, but that's just because the previous person that was using the pan, it's like I'm playing with water. Car has been warmed up. Time to do another take. Yeah, like it stops like right here. You can see it. Yeah, so I'll leave it like that at the meantime. So all good. Whoever's watching, thank you, means a lot. Like I said earlier, easy oil change, valve, easy to install. The Fumoto, sorry, the Fumoto drain valve, oil change next time you change the oil. So yeah, that'll do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. I'll keep you guys updated if there's anything wrong. I mean, hopefully not. No, everything's gonna be fine. Fuck it. Have a good one, guys.